Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. With temperatures dropping, cold winds, blizzards, and heavy accumulations, we need to keep ourselves warm. Of course, warm clothes and fireplace will do, but there's nothing better than a nice hot bowl of soup, like beef barley, broccoli cheddar, chicken noodles, and many others, including this featured one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my creamy cabbage soup. This is my elevated version of it, made with a fresh selection of vegetables and spices. I like to serve it with my famous garlic parmesan croutons. After trying it, I'm sure this will become a family favorite. So my friends, let's get cooking. Before we start the recipe, let's prep the cabbage. We'll cut it in half, and yes, it can be a little hard to do, but feasible. Then we'll remove the core by cutting outside the lines of the stem. See, Mother Nature even gives us a guide on where to cut. From here, we'll cut it in half again and thinly slice the veggie before cutting into 1.5-inch pieces. Not too big and not too small. Alright, let's start. In a large pot over medium-high heat, we'll add butter. And when it starts sizzling, we'll add onions, diced carrots, as well as diced celery, and red peppers. We'll combine them well and add half a teaspoon of ground sea salt. We'll saute the veggies for 5 minutes. To this, we'll add pressed garlic and saute for only 1 minute before adding herbe de Provence, which you can make it from scratch by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. Then, granulated sugar, the remaining half a teaspoon of ground sea salt, of course, freshly ground black pepper, and hot paprika. We'll mix the seasonings in very well and cook for 1 minute, stirring constantly. We'll add the cabbage, reduce the heat to medium, stir with the veggies, then cover and let the cabbage sweat for 10 minutes or until soft, stirring halfway through cooking. When time is up, we'll uncover and be careful with the steam and pour in low sodium chicken broth as well as whole milk. Hey, I call my soup creamy for a reason, right? We'll stir everything very well and bring the mixture back to a simmer. We can increase the heat, but let's leave it on medium. That way, it gives more time for our veggies to cook. This time, we'll simmer for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now let's not forget to taste and adjust if necessary. When we're ready to serve, we'll ladle the soup in serving bowls, add some of my herb garlic parmesan croutons, which you can get the recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen, and for the finishing touch, sprinkle on some fresh chopped parsley. And my friends, this is our creamy cabbage soup. This recipe is perfect during the cold months of the year. Colorful and packed with flavorful ingredients, it's a great and tasty way to warm up. If you never had cabbage soup, this one will definitely surprise you. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!